today I'm going to teach you Khana proverb. My name is Peter Wenganani, your host today. So let's go to the board. The first proverb we have today, we have Aso Lubara. Aso Lubara. This Aso Lubara. Aso Lubara is a proverb in Khana language. The meaning of this is Aso Lubara means from kitchen you become a man. Aso Lubara, from kitchen you become a man. Second on the board we have here Ato. Ato, this spelling of to, lole, ato lole, 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 kwalo, lo, kwalo, ne, lele. Ato lole, ato lole, kwalo ne lele. The meaning of this is that waking up going out in the morning makes you better. Going out in the morning make you better. Ato lole, kwalo ne lele. Meaning going out in the morning makes you better. Make you better. Then another one, this is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3 is Baaga. Baaga. Geto. Baaga. Geto. Baaga Geto. The meaning of this Baaga Geto is that, like a blunt machete, a machete that is not sharp. If your hand is strong, nobody will know that this machete is not sharp, that this machete is blunt. Which means when you are good at something, they don't need to tell people that you are good at that thing. That is the meaning of Baaga Geto. This ge is machete. Ge is machete. This ba is hand. Ba is hand. Aga, when your hand is strong at something, when you are good at something, that is aga, good at something. This is ge, which is machete. To, sharp, which still means you are good at that thing. To, which is sharp, very sharp. So here we have Baaga Geto. When you are good at something, they don't need to tell the world that you are good at this thing. Then number 4 we have Balo Subari. Le Ba Lo Subari. Bari ne beder ne beder ne beder le balo subari ne beder. What this means is this: give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Le balu, leave, give. That is le balu. It means leave, give. Subari in OGONI language, in Khana language, is called bone of fish. Bone of fish. That is subari. Subari is bone of fish. Ne. This N-double-E, ne. Draw is ne, which means ne. Give, give. Bedere is vosho. Bedere is vosho. Bedere here is vosho. So we have le balo su bari ne bedere. Give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. That is just the meaning of this. Le balo su bari ne bedere. Give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar, and what belongs to God to God. That is just a simple explanation of this proverb. Today, remember, we are talking about Khana proverbs. Khana proverbs. So here we have Aso Lugbara. From kitchen, you become a man. Here we have Atolole Kwalo Nelele. Going out in the morning makes you feel better. Going out in the morning makes you feel better. Here we have Ba-aga Getop. Ba-aga Getop. When you are good at something, you don't need to do advertisement. You don't need to tell someone that you are good at this thing. It will show itself. It will show by itself. When you are good at something, it will show by itself. Ba-aga Getop. Ba here is hand. Here is aga, strong. Here is ge, which is knife, or we call it machete. Machete. Then here is top, good. You are good at something. Sharp. Sharp. That is top. Then here we have le balo su. Le balo su bari ne bedere. Here is le balo forget. Le balo forgive. So barrier is bone of fish. Then give. Here is bedere, which is voucher. So the conclusion of this le balo su bari ne bedere, the meaning is give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar, and what belongs to God to God. Let's proceed. If this is your first time on my channel, please do what you like, share and subscribe. Let's do more explanation on the board. The first one we have here is bara. 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 The meaning of bara here in Khana language is man. Man. Bara is man. Bara is man. Here we have on the board here atolo le kwalo ne kwalo kwalo. Here is kwa lo kwalo. The meaning of kwalo is feeling better. Better. Then here we have here top. Top. We have here top, which is sharp. Then here we have subari here. The meaning of subari is W-U-B-A-R-I. Subari here is bone of fish. Bone of fish. Subari is bone of fish. So on the board, to draw it to conclusion today, we have here so lugbara, atolole, atolore, kwalo nelele, ba-aga Getop, le balo subari nebedere. Thank you very much. This is where we draw into conclusion of today. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do what to like, share and subscribe. This is my own little way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni culture. My name is Peter Winganani.